Hello everyone, this is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com. I'm going to show you how to make a peanut butter chocolate smoothie. The first thing you do is buy the unsweetened almond milk and get ice cube trays and freeze almond milk in your ice cube trays. When they're frozen, you put half a tray into a Vitamix or whatever blender you have, 1 heaping tablespoon peanut butter, 1 cup cocoa, 2 tablespoons Sweetie, 1 cup almond milk, and that's all you need. You blend and enjoy. And you have a delicious, delicious peanut butter chocolate smoothie. Basically, the only calories in it are in the tablespoon of peanut butter because the unsweetened almond milk is only about 60 calories for the 2 cups. And the Sweetie doesn't have any calories and the cocoa doesn't have any calories. So this is a very delicious snack that's going to help you lose weight. The more you eat, the more you lose. Thank you for watching. God bless you.